Hello, this is Gare, and I want to show you my new personal cooling fan, Coolboy 1.1. It looks exactly like the original, except for the addition of these larger head vent holes on the left side, and the addition of body vents. You can see there's body vents, indicators the same, grills are still lit up. This fan is kind of messed up. That's why it sounds like a jet engine. You're not going to be able to feel this through your screen, but there is a lot more airflow. And then on the bottom, yeah, I can feel some airflow. And here's the speed dial. And charging port's the same. Power switch is the same. What do I think about this? Well, summers where I live are extremely brutal, and something like this could be life-saving, assuming it's not too hot. This works in slightly warm environments is the best. It works the best in a warm environment without a lot of sunlight. And also my future plans for this, I might add Bluetooth speakers into this. Because when you're wearing this, you can't really use headphones. That's been a problem when I'm in a car, because my mom makes me wear headphones a lot of the time, and when I'm using this, I can't really use my headphones. So I might actually add some Bluetooth audio capability into this. Maybe in the next version I'll add Bluetooth to this. That's the end. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow me on social media, support me by buying from my stores. All those links are in the description. Goodbye.